Hello my loves, it's Kasha, Plannerista 101. Today we are going to be planning in my meal planner from the Happy Planner that I usually turn into a wellness. I add a few more things to make it into a wellness, and today I'm going to be working with the Posh Blooms and Icons, and we'll go from there. And I think I'm going to also use the tiny sticker book, but I'm not sure yet. So let's take a look. Let's pick some flowers because blooms, right, means flowers. I think I want to work with these really beautiful pink ones. I'm going to start with this and put it in my sidebar and see where it goes. So we are planning for the week of February 14th through the 20th. That is the Valentine's Day week. So I'm going to go ahead and decorate accordingly to the holiday because I really enjoy decorating for Valentine's Day, and then we shall go from there. Like I said, this is a meal planner from the Happy Planner. It's one of their newer layouts. I really enjoy using it. So that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm cutting the sticker in half to make it a little bit more accessible to write stuff and not as full. So I'm just adding the beautiful florals to the bottom, and I'm gonna cut like so. And then while I'm doing this, I wanted to say thank you if you are coming back to my channel. I truly thank you for choosing to spend some time with me. I really appreciate it. And if this is your first time with me, welcome. I hope you like this channel, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe and like this video, comment, say hello so I can say hello back at you. I love doing that and kind of making you planner friends. So I'm looking for boxes to kind of overshadow the ingredients to prep, but that doesn't bug me. I just put my own stuff on it and I am good. So I'm going to go ahead and look through that mega rainbow sticker book and see if there's any red boxes in there that I could use to add to that spread. I'm gonna continue with the flowers. I couldn't find any boxes for now, so let's just continue creating this page and go from there. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this, which is this beautiful floral design. And I'll keep going until I am done. So I'm gonna keep just playing with this a little bit until I think it's pretty much done. Add a couple in the middle to bring in all of that beauty of the florals and cover ingredients to prep, because I'm not going to be doing that in that section. Let's add a pink one, maybe right on the side like so, and then right in the middle as well. And then I think I can play with a little bit more flowers and add them throughout. Almost make like a little border around there again as well. And then go from there. I think that's gonna look really good. I'm not sure, but I'm hoping that's not going to be overwhelming. So I'm gonna add a lighter one, like so. And let's cut that little piece off. So like I said, adding those flowers in strategic places adds so much more room to write if I was to put that half flower instead of the full flower. I need one more flower to cover up those edges. Now that I have a full line, might as well finish it, right? Okay, like so. And I think that's it. I think that looks so beautiful. And now I'm gonna use the tiny sticker book. I marked all of the Valentine hearts and stickers in this book. So I'm gonna pull out all of the red and pink stickers and put them on my hand and then spread them around the planner. I think that's gonna look really, really great. So I'll continue doing that until I am done. And I'm doing that with a help of tweezers. So these stickers are so tiny that sometimes it is so hard to grab them, especially those tiny, tiny hearts. And then if you want to be creative and really on a budget, you could also save and use the outline of these stickers and cut out the outline hearts and do kind of like an empty heart layout as well. So I'm going to be using the Sakura Jelly Roll in white, and I'm going to go ahead and keep adding those hearts until my heart desires and is content with the result. I hope you guys are going to be having a happy Valentine's Day. If you're doing anything fun, let me know in the comments down below. I'm always up for a good planned story. If you have a partner, do they surprise you with a gift or a plan on Valentine's Day? This year, Alec and I don't have very many plans. We're kind of gonna go with the flow. I think he has a dinner planned for us to go out to, but other than that, no gifts. We bought a house in 2021, so for right now, that's gift enough, I believe. So we are focusing on that and not necessarily on the gift giving this year. Okay, and look how adorable this spread is with these little hearts, right? Can you believe that? And I think I'm gonna pull out some more and add just a few more, and then this one is rose gold or like goldish foil, like copper almost. So I'm adding those as well. I think they look so magnificent in this planner. The red, the pinks, and like the copper gold foiled. So that's what I'm doing. I'm having a little bit of fun and going outside of my box and putting tiny little stickers everywhere so they look like floating little hearts. I really like doing those. I think they're so adorable. There, let's put that one there. I swear I'm almost done. Not quite, but almost. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I love looking at it. It makes me so happy. If you do too, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you very soon for another Plan With Me video. Happy Valentine's Day. Bye!